Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Chiquita from BABYMONSTER, inspired by her look from the Psycho music video, but in our fun, modern cartoon style. If you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like on this video. That really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making more tutorials for you. So grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start drawing. Let's begin with Chiquita's expressive and beautiful eyes, slightly sharp with that iconic triangular eyeliner. Draw the eyebrows, slightly curved to match her playful expression. And remember, if any step gets tricky, feel free to pause the video anytime and draw at your own pace. Now add her small and delicate nose, including the tiny makeup cut detail in the center. Later, we'll enhance it with a soft pink tone. Draw the mouth with a smile showing the teeth. Chiquita is super expressive on stage and always making fun faces, so it was hard to choose just one expression for this drawing. I hope you like this one. Let's go with some fun facts while we draw. Chiquita trained under YG Entertainment for several years before debuting with BABYMONSTER. Even at a young age, she impressed fans with her confidence and expressive performances. She is originally from Thailand. Chiquita is one of the youngest members of BABYMONSTER. She became popular for her strong stage presence even before debut. Shape the rounded face, keeping the cheeks soft and youthful. We won't draw the ears because the hair will completely cover them. Start drawing the hair parted near the forehead, framing the face. Build volume on the top and sides of the hair, letting it flow naturally toward the back. Now draw the twin buns, also known as space buns, on the top of the head. During the coloring stage, we'll add lighter reflections to the dark burgundy hair, and we'll finish the hair tips later. Our Chiquita is already looking super stylish with this hair, isn't she? So now let's move on to the body. Draw the long and delicate neck, adding the black leather choker with spikes. If you're enjoying this drawing, leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want more tutorials like this, check out our playlist by clicking the card above. There, you'll find super fun tutorials from all the other BABYMONSTER members. Also, tell me in the comments, which idol should we turn into a cartoon next? sketch the slim torso, keeping elegant cartoon proportions. Chiquita gained attention through the pre-debut series Last Evaluation. Baby Monster officially debuted in 2024. Chiquita is often praised for her facial expressions and charisma during performances. Now draw the custom tube top, originally inspired by a punk rock band shirt with spikes and zipper details. We slightly sped up the customization process here so the video wouldn't become too long, but feel free to pause the video anytime and replicate all the details you want. Shape the rounded hip area, giving movement to the pose. K-pop idols spend years training in singing, dancing, and stage performance. YG Entertainment is famous for groups like Blackpink and 2NE1. Draw the large red belt around the waist. Add the spikes along the belt, reinforcing the punk style. Now draw the long, hanging section of the belt, reaching almost to the knees, also decorated with spikes. Many fans love Chiquita's ability to switch between cute expressions and powerful stage charisma. K-pop choreography often includes signature gestures and facial expressions to make performances more memorable. The patchwork and punk-inspired fashion in this outfit reflects a popular trend in modern K-pop styling. For the pants, start with the base leg shapes first, because this destroyed patchwork design includes leather patches, spikes, chains, buckles, and large ripped areas on the thighs. Draw the left leg, long and elegant. Add the boot, partially covered by the loose pant leg. Now comes the customization stage for the left leg. We sped up this part a little as well, so remember, pause the video whenever you need to carefully replicate the details. draw the right leg, maintaining the same proportions and movement. BABYMONSTER quickly became known for combining strong vocals, rap, dance, and visual concepts. Chiquita's stage energy often stands out during live performances and dance practice videos. Add the right boot, matching the left side. K-pop fans around the world enjoy not only the music, but also the fashion, choreography, and artistic concepts behind each comeback. Now, customize the right pant leg, adding the extra patches and details. We accelerated this section too to keep the pacing fun and dynamic. Honestly, we love how these pants turned out. What do you think about this crazy patchwork style? Draw the left arm, long and slender, with the hand relaxed beside the thigh. Add the left hand and bracelet. In our cartoon style, we use only 4 fingers, which helps simplify hand drawing. Fashion plays a huge role in K-pop concepts and music videos. And just like in this drawing, K-pop mixes music, choreography, fashion, and visual art into one big creative experience. Now, draw the right arm raised, elbow bent, and forearm almost vertical. Add the right hand near the face, forming the iconic horns gesture from the choreography, also wearing a bracelet. Oh, she's so cute! Finally, finish the hair, extending the tips naturally down toward the back. For the colors, we used dark burgundy tones for the hair with lighter highlights, black and gray shades for the top and accessories, strong reds and purples for the pants, and darker tones to create shadows and depth. But of course, feel free to use your own favorite colors and make your version unique. And here's our Chiquita, an adorable and fun cartoon version inspired by her stage style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!